everyone. I hope you all are following the lockdown. You all are safe at your home. So here I am sharing this video of 20 basic and very easy workout which you can do at your home. So I know all the fitness freak people are unable to go to gym, can't go to ground. So yeah, nothing to worry. I am sharing this video of 20 basic workout. If you do it, you will be fit and you will be in shape. So this 20 workout of your full body, 6 days, 1 day rest. So divide this 20 workout in those 6 days and do it seriously at your home. Every workout you can do, you must have to do 3 sets for the good result. So nothing to worry. Stay home, stay safe. Let's start. So this video is for lower body and your lower abs. So first let's start with squats. Take your position. Minimum 10 you have to lift.
Start.
Now let's start with lunges for your thighs. Another leg.
Start.
Start. So this workout will affect all your lower abs and your back thighs here. If you will do properly, it will affect these two places. So let's start. Stop. चल अभी हम बोलेंगे. So this is high knee. High knee we call in cricket and knee up boxer called this workout. So this workout is good for your fitness, for your whole lower body, for your abs and for your fitness too. It will increase your speed. Now the next workout is back knee, back high knee. So like this, take the position, start. Your ankle will touch your thigh. So this back knee workout is also for your leg and your hip. So now the next workout is squat hold. First you have done squat at first, but this is quite different. You have to hold on squats. This is very effective for your back, for your thighs and for your ankle and calf muscle, for everything. So just take the position of your squats and hold. You don't have to move. You have to hold the position, this position, and hold it for, at starting you do it for 30 seconds, 3 sets of 30 seconds, and as long you keep practicing, increase the time to stay in position stable. So the squat hold is very good workout for lower body. If you do it on regular basis, your body will give a good shape. So these all were the workout of your legs. Now we will come for the next step. In this video I will show you the workout of shoulder, chest and your stomach. So first let's start with normal push-ups. Start. Now push-ups. You can use chair. Now start with normal sit-ups. Now sit-ups alternate ways. Same position. It will be putting here. You have to touch your alternate knees.
Okay.
Or out now. You have to touch your toes alternate. See over here. You will see the workout is plank exercise. Pause like this. Now alternate planks. Same position. Next workout, now in push-up position, you have to touch your alternate shoulders. It is good for core. In the position. Now you have to touch your toe in this position for your core. Take the position. This is the last workout of your stomach. It's called Russian twist. Take a position like this, and you. It's very easy one. You can do it 50 or 50 plus. You can take any weight also in your hand and like this. So much better result. Your lower abs. So start with the first workout of your lower abs. You have to lift your leg. See. You have to lift, not so up, not so down. You don't have to put it down. It will affect your lower abs. Over here. You have to do 30 times up down. So now next workout for your lower abs. It is called dead work. It is like this. So take your position and let's start. Your hand and your leg both will move. It can go alternate or it can go with same way. You have to do this for 30 seconds. 30 seconds into 3 sets. Now next workout for your lower abs. You have to take your position and you have to touch your. You will try to touch your toe. Or your foot as much as you can. It will affect your abs sideways. So the first workout which I have done of lower abs, that's called leg rise. That was half leg rise. Now let's do full leg rise. So start. Take your position. Do this. Slowly come down. Go up. Slowly come down. Over. Slowly. So this was full leg rise. That was half. So both you have to do 3 sets. Pause. So these are the videos of your upper abs, lower abs, upper body, lower body. So if you want a good result, you have to do 3 sets every day. 3 sets, no excuse. If you do it seriously and regularly, surely you will get the result. And these all are the very basic and very easy one. You do it for 2 months, you will get the result. All the best.